You guys know me, you know I love old traditional hot rods, and I wasn't going to leave with at least one, maybe two cars. And today, what we're gonna do is also pull out the two cars that I purchased, and we're right here in the garage to grab the first one.
Bought this from Larry Skelly from Hanover, Pennsylvania. Here's the owner's card.
Ah, all right. Oh, that's killer.
That's the history.
There we go.
Takes it back one more step.
Hi, is this Barry?
Yeah,
Hi, Barry. My name is Matt Murray. I believe, own a '34 Ford that you used to own.
I think so. I mean, that was my pride and joy. I bought it in 1960 something, and then I fixed it up. I mean, I had the rolled pleated. It has black and white rolled pleated interior.
Yep.
Crater bags and the 265 Chevy engine, unless they changed it.
Nope.
Whoever bought it.
No. So
It's still the same.
I think those mufflers are like half clogged.
Probably. pick you guys up. So it's pretty loud when you get on it, obviously, but sitting at idle, it's actually pretty quiet. Since we've been building the Skelly 34 early on in the project, we found Barry Skelly, the original builder or owner of this car, that did everything we see back in the day. We did a phone call with him. He told me a lot of history about the car, really lit a fire underneath me to get this car on the road. And unfortunately, Barry is not with us anymore and didn't make it to see the car finished. Since his passing, we've been in contact with Mike, one of his son, and Mike, Lisa, and Dylan, Mike's nephew, are coming over today to see the car for the first time. So we're gonna get our cameras set up, get some GoPros set up, and get their first reaction to the car. This is gonna be really fun.
Awesome.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Cool. Oh, Dad would be so happy.
Yeah,
This would probably bring a tear to his eye.
What's that?
This would bring a tear to his eye.
Yeah,
Just seeing this again. It's really cool.
I can totally see Grandpa driving
Me
this.
too.
So what was your first impression, or what do you guys think of the car now you saw it? Is it in good a shape as you thought, or worse, or
Amazing.
Better than.
really?
He'd be so happy.
He would be so happy.
That's cool.
Like we said earlier when we first got here, I guarantee he would have cried.
Yeah.
Guarantee he would have cried.
Yeah. I can imagine. Yeah, but I was always interested to see, because you guys never really saw it. So is it better? Is it worse? Or,
No,
stuff like
it's
that.
exceeded all expectations.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm happy about that. That's pretty much it for the series of this car. We're wrapped up. I couldn't ask for a better ending to this series. So we really appreciate anybody that's followed along from the day we pulled this out, giving me your feedback and support of putting this car together throughout this whole spring, summer, and into a little bit into the fall. It's been really awesome to kind of share this journey with you guys, and it really lights a fire, and moments like this, meeting with the Skelly family, remind me that what we're doing with this channel of spreading the history, the love of old hot rods, we're on the right path. So I can't say enough. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Catch you later.